Magan here, and today is Fanboy Friday. I am a massive fan of Metallica. Metallica, the fucking best band ever, no shit, seriously. Take a look at my collection. Kill 'Em All, fucking awesome. Ride the Lightning, fucking awesome. Master of Puppets, fucking awesome. And Justice for All, fucking awesome. The Black Album, fucking awesome. Load, fucking awesome. Reload, fucking awesome. I don't give a fuck what anyone says about Saint Anger, it's fucking awesome. And Death Magnetic, fucking awesome. I also own a few excess CDs, like Some Kind of Monster EP, Unnamed Feeling EP, S&M live album, Garage Inc covers album, and I own a collection of DVDs. Some Kind of Monster the movie, fucking awesome. Live Shit, Binge and Purge, fucking awesome. Cunning Stunts, fucking awesome. S&M DVD, fucking awesome. Live at Neem's Blu-ray, fucking awesome. And of course, Guitar Hero Metallica. I have 4 Metallica shirts. I have my Master of Puppets shirt, my Kill 'Em All shirt, my Guitar Hero Metallica shirt, and of course, my Met Club shirt. This is all my Met Club package, it's fucking awesome. As you can tell, I am a massive Metallica fanboy. Anyway, I've been Mackins, and goodbye.